Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin comments on your posts, reels, and pretty much everything on Instagram. So what is a pin comment? Pin comments are basically top comments that you want them to be seen first by anyone. I can't seem to find the post with the comments so I can show you. But just for example, uh, most people pin comments by people who are verified on their posts like this, so they can be seen by everyone first, or just in general nice comments. So how to pin nice comments so they can be seen first? Well, let me just show you. For example, I'm just gonna go to my notifications and click on this reel, and on this reel I have one comment currently, as you can see. And if I wanted it to stay at the top here, all I had to do is press on it, hold it, and this little blue menu will appear. After it does, all I have to do is click this little pin, this tic tac. And now we've successfully pinned this comment. So at the moment you can see that the comment is in this here little darkish color and this box. That just means that it's a pinned comment, but don't worry, once you refresh it goes away. But you can see that it's pinned right here and nobody else sees it, so don't worry about that as well. Only you and nobody else can see this. So that's it. Hope you see you. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.